University Preparation Program module in mathematics. I'm Dr. Sarah Eichhorn.
And I'm Dr. Rachel Lehman, and we'll be your instructors for this module. We're both faculty members in the mathematics department at UCI, and we're looking forward to working with you.
Over the next 5 weeks, you'll be working through an intensive mathematics module designed to prepare you for a calculus course. In this module, you'll be expected to spend about 10 to 15 hours per week to be successful. This module will be taught predominantly using a software system called ALEX.
ALEX stands for Assessment and Learning in Knowledge Spaces. And based upon an initial assessment, this system can pinpoint quite precisely your current mathematical skills. And then once you have those skills in place, you're going to be working through your personalized path, working on precisely the topics that you're ready to learn.
Each week, you'll begin your studies by looking at the Moodle homepage for the course. On that Moodle homepage, you'll find a list of learning tasks for the module. Each of those tasks will be things like watch a short video, take a little quiz, but predominantly the main task you'll be working on each week is completing an intermediate objective in ALEX. These intermediate objectives are basically a subset or a small list of mathematics topics to be learned for that week.
And at any time, if you're working through these topics and you're confused, you can click on this explanation button within ALEX, and it'll bring you to this written explanation page to tell you how to do these topics. And also on that explanation page, there's a resource box to the right that contains links to a textbook as well as videos that we created.
As we said, each week your goal is to complete the intermediate objective in ALEX. Your goal for the course is to complete your pie in ALEX. There'll be a pie there, and you'll want to fill that up by the end of the module. At the end of the module, you'll be taking a final exam. Your final exam will be comprehensive, covering everything you've learned so far. That final exam will be done using an online proctoring system called ProctorU. Later in the module, you'll find out more information about signing up and scheduling your exam with ProctorU. You'll take that on your own using your own webcam for proctoring.
And when working on preparing for your finalists, as well as working through this module, we encourage you to go and interact with your classmates and us if you have questions. Each week on the course homepage, there will be a link to a forum where you can write your questions, read what other students had questions on, etc.
Dr. Lehman and I will be monitoring those discussion forums every day or so. We encourage you to use those as a great way to get feedback on the things you're struggling with. We ask that you use the forums rather than emailing us directly with your questions, because that way, if other students have the same question, they can see our response. So as you work through, please go ahead and put all your questions in that discussion forum.
So please go to the Getting Started task list on the course homepage. You'll want to sign up for ALEX as soon as possible and take that initial assessment, as that will set up your individualized track working through this module.
We look forward to working with you throughout this mathematics learning module.
Thanks and happy learning.